wrap images, text, logos around object without Photoshop. Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create product mockups without the Photoshop, because Photoshop is an amazing tool. It lets you easily create mockups of different products, but it's a paid software and it requires an expensive computer that is powerful enough to run this software. But today I'm going to show you how you can do it using free software, and it will work on any computer. Free tool that I'm going to use is Photopea, which is available at photopea.com, and I've already downloaded my product image as well as the logo I want to add. I've got a can with me, and I just created a mock-up design just for the sake of this video. To do this, you can simply drag and drop your first photo, the photo of the can, and then again, drag and drop the design, and you can zoom in using the 2 fingers on your laptop or your mouse. And once you are zoomed in, make sure that you have selected your design from the layer on the right-hand side. Once the design is selected, go to Edit, Transform, and click on Warp. This will let you warp this image around this empty can. Here you have to be a little precise. It would be better if you have the knowledge how online tools work, or at least how Photoshop works, because even though it's a free tool, you still need skill to achieve what you're looking for. So, since it's a cylindrical object, the logo would appear slightly arced. So, I will try to create an arc over here, something like this, and I will move it a little. And once you're satisfied with the way you have warped the design, what you can do is go to the left-hand side and tap on Move Tool. This will unselect the Warp tool and now go to the blending options, right-hand side. When you click on it, you will get a few options. There are blending options, select multiply, and when you select multiply, you can see that the effect has been applied. It is not perfect because I'm just giving an example, but if you want to do it patiently. Make sure you warp the image correctly and you will be able to achieve what you're looking for. Not bad for a 5-minute of work. Now, if you want to create an ad or create any graphic, you can do this by saving this file and then export as PNG. Now, since I've saved this, I will use another tool called Microsoft Designer, which is currently in beta. It's an amazing tool because it is powered by AI. So we have got the Microsoft Designer open. I will add my image from my computer since it is powered by AI. You can add a prompt. I will simply add my prompt and click on Generate. It will give me some samples of designs. Obviously these are not great, so I can select any one and then start working on refining it. I can even select the size from here, so I'll select landscape and let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it also gives animated creatives also, which is good for Instagram or your channel, whatever you're trying to do, like this one. Really nice. You can select a different one or click on new ideas to work on. Microsoft Designer is an amazing tool, and currently it is in beat-up mode, so you will be able to use it for free. You can add your media from the left sidebar, and then if you have got some background color and want to remove that background from your product, you can do it from here, as you can see. And although this is not perfect, because I did not spend a lot of time while warping this design on this can, if I want to change the background color, I can do it from here. So you get the idea how you can use these free tools to create stunning graphics for anything, for your social media, for ad creatives, for your blog, anything, and you can download your result from here. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. Now you know how you can create mock-up of any product using these free tools. Subscribe for more videos.